You can never quit. Winners never quit and quitters never win. Ted Turner. Hi guys, this is Sujata. You're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss vocabulary, new words. The word we are going to deal is hellacious. Hellacious. This word is a mix of the word hell and the suffix -cious. The pronunciation for this word hellacious is hellacious, hellacious, hellacious. The word hellacious is an adjective because it describes a noun. Any word that describes a noun is called an adjective. Here, hellacious describes a noun, so it is an adjective. What does it mean? Hellacious means extremely bad or difficult. Extremely bad or difficult. Anything which is extremely bad or difficult is described as hellacious. Look here, hellacious traffic. Here traffic is a noun and hellacious describes the noun traffic. It means a bad traffic, a terrific traffic. Hellacious storm. Here storm is a noun and hellacious describes the noun storm. It means a bad storm. So, hellacious means exceptionally powerful or violent, remarkably good, extremely difficult, extraordinarily large. Look at the synonyms for hellacious. Look at the synonym for the word hellacious: acute, dreadful, ferocious, fearful. These are the synonyms for hellacious. Here you can see antonyms for the word hellacious. These are light, moderate, soft. So, hellacious means exceptionally powerful or violent, remarkably good, extremely difficult, extraordinarily large. Look at the example sentence here. The hellacious heat was more than we could tolerate. Here, the noun is heat and the heat, the noun, is described as hellacious. That is, bad heat, terrible heat was more than we could tolerate. Number 2, the accident left a hellacious scar on my back. The accident left a hellacious scar on my back. So, hellacious means extremely bad or difficult. Hope you like this video. If you find this video interesting, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.